Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials: your device passcode, Apple ID, and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once done, open Settings and confirm iOS is updated. Older builds block some options. Make sure you're signed into iCloud so changes sync. Now go to Settings, your name, Media, and Purchases, and tap it. You'll see the option to view account or password settings. This is the doorway to removing the App Store password requirement. You're in Password Settings. This is where you change App Store behavior. Tap Require Password and choose Never for free downloads, or select Require after 15 minutes for purchases to reduce prompts. If your device offers Face ID or Touch ID, enable it. This lets you approve downloads without typing the password while preserving security. Make sure changes apply to both purchases and in-app purchases if shown. Once set, exit. The App Store will To finish, test by downloading a free app. You should not be asked for the password. If prompts still appear, sign out of Media and Purchases in Settings, restart the device, then sign back in and reapply the preferences. Also check Family Sharing. The organizer can force Ask to Buy, which overrides your settings. If problems continue, verify iOS Update and Apple ID region settings. Sometimes regional rules enforce a password. Reach out to Apple support only if all local fixes fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.